You can expect a lot from the 2018 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.